Today I'm going to be reviewing my magnetic phone case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I did order it in the black color, but there is a variety of colors available like blue and green. But first and foremost, I like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, this case right here has a strong magnetic ring that work seamlessly with Magsafe accessories. So that includes wireless car chargers, mounts, magnetic wallets, and so much more. One of the unique features that I found from this phone case is that it has a sliding camera cover that helps protect your lens from getting any scratches or damage. Another great thing is that it also has a built-in hidden stand that doubles as a hands-free viewing option or selfie holder. Check that out. This is super nice extra feature that you could use every day. So simply lay it down flat on a table and now you got yourself a little phone stand. I absolutely thought that this was such a great case. This is built for protection. It has the hard black cover. As you can see, it has ridges all on the side. This is what the inside looks like. This case also includes threaded grip along the sides, which makes it easier to hold and reduces the chances of slipping. So overall, if you're looking for a phone case that is reliable, it has additional protection, it is Magsafe, and it has these amazing add-on qualities like the camera cover and also the little stand, then definitely check this one out.